Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andrew and today I'll be doing a Paymo review. So if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you dislike this video, please leave a dislike and tell me how I can improve it. Now without anything further to say, let's go on the video. Now, let's start with what is Paymo. Paymo is a project management software that helps you engage, that helps you keep your team members engaged and know what assignments they have to do at an allocated time. So when you sign up with the link in the description, you'll be taken to this page over here. Now once you're on this page, this is the Paymo website. Now you can just simply come here, you can give the website a try, enter your email, right, start your free trial and see if you like it. But for instance, I'm already a member, so I'm gonna just press login. Okay, now I'm in. Now once you here, now you can simply, this is where you come, you add a task. Now you're like, okay, task name, it's okay, app launch, right? Now you come here, you can also add comments, right? You can add who's the assignment for. Now it depends. Now I don't have any users, but you can add the users, so I'll show you that a little bit later. Now for instance, now select project, general project. We don't have a project yet, so this is the task description, and that's it. You can set the date, which date you want it, and if it's today, I just simply with this. Yeah, if it's today, you can just simply add it and it's fine. You can attach files at a time. Priority, I don't want that. Recurring tasks. Now this can be a recurring task or a one-time task, so it's up to you. Duplicate, delete, and then add time. This is where you start the timer or custom time. Now this is where you can choose where you want it done between 9:50 and 7:50 or until 8:50, or you can say that, okay, I want this thing to be done in an hour. So let's add entry. Now you can add a comment. Here's your comment. Now you can say join launch app. Okay, John launch the app. Okay, post comment. Now that's it, you done. Okay, now there you go. There's your task. Now you can add another task here. Okay, save task. That's it, and then you can add another. Now this is a task group, and then want advertising. Okay, now you can also add, let's say if it's Lisa, for instance, assign the task to, then you can choose general project, and then task description. Now you can also add a comment, advertise the app for me. Now okay, posts. Now okay, when you're done, there we go. This your task list, and there you go, you're done. And then you can also come here, client. Now this is where you can add a client. Now this is where you can add all the necessary information: email, billing, website, fax number, website address, and all these things. Now I don't have any clients, so I'm gonna just skip that. Now you can also add projects. Now this is where you add project. Now this is what app. Let's call it app. Select the client. If you don't have a client, then that is fine. Now to project managers, you can anyone. You can also add team members, right? Now I don't have any since I'm using this app alone. So that's it. Save project, and there you go. There's your app. You see now. Now you come here. Here, this is where you add your team members. Now you come, you add, you like, okay, John. You add his email. Now you can also add his email, right? And then you add his role also. And then yeah, that's it. And then work start. This is up to you now. Billing. Yeah, this is up to you. Now when you're done, you can come here to, and then under accounting, this way you can add invoices. Now once you press add invoice, now this way you add the necessary information for your invoice. Estimates, press add estimates. Now this is where you come, you add your estimates and whatever you need on this sheet. And then also here you come, you query and all the stuff. Okay, now you can come here, you can look through, you can add all the expense name, client, project, amount. It's up to you, man. Now time reports. Now this is where you can add this is where you can add this is where you think this is where you come see the time reports for your clients or for your team members, for how long they work for, whether they complete the task within the due time. Now you come down here, here's timesheets. Now at timesheets, this is where you plan literally your day, what you want to do at a specific time. Now you say, okay, select project, let's say app, task, let's say add new task. The new task is okay, launch the app. Then okay, launch the app. Okay, task list, default task list, save. Right, time interval, how long am I supposed to take launching this app? 30 minutes on 30 minutes. Okay, like okay, that's it. I come down here, continue to come. This is 10 o'clock, you have to add another thing. Now that's up to you again. Now so long, that's it actually. Yeah, now you come here to team scheduling. Now this is where you come, you can be like, okay, Johnny Boy must work for 5 days, right, on app. Now the task must building the app, right, and then save. Now you come, now you can come, you choose a user. Now since I'm the only user, I'm only gonna show Ginger official, so that's okay. Now you just add booking, and then let me actually add a user. I don't have time. Okay, now you see there it is. Like okay, this is how long Johnny Boy is supposed to work, and then that's it really. And then here you can simply come add a shortcut. Let's say if you really want to come here really fast, let's say if you want to come maybe to, let's say you use invoices a lot, so you're like, okay, I want to add a shortcut for invoices. Let me click here, you call it my invoices, right? My invoices. Now you choose an icon, choose a color, add shortcut. Now there it is. Now you can just simply come to my invoices anytime, whenever you want, as fast as you want. So it's really up to you what shortcut you want to add over there. So that's it. And then you can also come here if you really want to quickly add a task, project, time entry, or user. You can just click here, add whatever you need to add, and that's it. And that's it, guys. Like, that's it for the Paymo review. This is a Paymo review and a tutorial, so both in one. And I just like thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please leave a like, and if you don't like my video, leave a dislike and tell me why and how I can improve it. And without anything further to say, thank you.